Pacific Ocean is so wide it's bigger than all the continents combined. Waterfalls like Angel Falls in Venezuela are so tall the water turns to mist before it hits the ground. On Neptune, winds blast faster than 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a jet. The anglerfish glows in the dark, thanks to tiny helpful bacteria on its light bulb-like lure. The hottest place on Earth is Death Valley, which once reached 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that's been swirling for over 300 years. Some jellyfish never grow old and may be biologically immortal. Geysers like Old Faithful shoot boiling water into the air from deep underground pressure. Astronauts on the ISS see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. Dolphins have names and use special whistles to call each other.